Greetings to our valued audience. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our subscribers whose unwavering support inspires us to persist in our endeavors. If you have not yet subscribed, we encourage you to do so as it will ensure you remain informed about our latest content without any adverse effect. We invite you to like and subscribe to our channel to be among the first to receive notification when we release new videos. In today's video, we will focus on the proper execution of push-ups. Push-ups are simple and effective bodyweight movements that can help increase strength in your upper body and core. This exercise works the pectoral muscles in your chest and the tricep. These are the muscles in the back of your upper arms. You don't need any equipment to get started with push-ups. They are suitable for beginners and individuals who are more advanced with exercise. While you may be familiar with standard push-ups, there are many variations that may help you get started, progress, or increase difficulty. Try doing a set of 10 to 15 trusted sets of each exercise. Rest and then do another set of 10 to 15. Here are 5 push-up variations that increase in difficulty. Number 1 is wall push-up. Number 2 is seated push-ups. Number 3 is kneeling push-ups. Number 4 is standard push-up. And the last one is inclined push-up. Wall push-ups. Let's look at them one after the other. Wall push-ups. Doing a standing push-up against the wall is a good starting place. If you are new to this move, by standing you put less pressure on your joints. This is how it is done. With your feet shoulder width apart, stand about an arm's length away from a wall. Place your palms on the wall as you lean forward into a standing plank position. Your arms should be shoulder height and shoulder width apart. Inhale as you bend your elbows and slowly move your upper body toward the wall while keeping your feet flat on the ground. Hold this position for a second or 2 seconds. Exhale and use your arms to push your body slowly back to your starting position. Let's look at seated push-up. To work on stability in your shoulders, try push-ups from a seated position. This is how it is done. Sit on a bench with your palms down, arms at your side. Your feet should rest comfortably on the ground while with your knees bent. Using your arms, push down into your palms so that your body lifts up. Still in the seated position, your hips and butt should be just a half inch or so off the bench. Lower back down to your starting position and repeat. That's how it is done. Let's look at knees push-up. Balancing on your knees instead of your feet is another good modification while you build your strength. Begin in a hands and knees position with your gaze at the floor. Place your hands on the ground on either side of your shoulders. Your knees should be at comfortable distance apart. Inhale as you slowly lower your elbows to bring your chest toward the ground. Be sure to keep your core muscles contracted. Pause for a second in the lowered position. Your chin may lightly touch the ground. Exhale as you push up from the ground to your starting position. Let's look at standard push-up. Fully extending your legs increases the difficulty of this move by adding more body weight. One study showed that the ground reaction force, or how much weight you push, is 64% of your body weight with standard push-ups. To compare, a kneeling push-up is 49%. And it is done by beginning with your chest and stomach flat on the floor. Your legs should straight out behind you and your palms should be at chest level with the arms bent out at a 45 degrees angle. Exhale as you push from your hands and heels, bringing your toes, chest and thighs off the ground. Push for a second in the plank position. Keep your core engaged. Inhale as you slowly lower to your starting position. And this is how it is done. Let's look at inclined push-ups. If you want to really challenge your upper body, try inclined push-ups. You will need a stable surface on which to place your hands. Place your hands on the edge of the elevated surface. A bench step or other steady platform are good options. Step your feet back so your legs are straight and your arms are perpendicular to your body. Inhale as you slowly lower your chest to the edge of your platform. Pause for a second. Exhale as you push back to your starting position with your arms fully extended. That's how inclined push-up is done. Good form and positioning are key If you want to get the most from your workout, comfort, form, and safety are key parts of any exercise. The right form can protect your body from injury. Make sure you are getting full engagement from the muscle you are trying to work. This is health, fitness, and beauty. Engaging with this channel is beneficial. There are other videos in the comment section that will help assist your fitness journey and keep you healthy always. You can check it from the channel, and we encourage you to express your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribing to our channel will ensure that you stay informed about the latest updates and insights. Your support is invaluable, and we appreciate your interest in our community. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We look forward to your commitment to improving your health and well-being is commendable, and we are here to support you on that journey. Bye for now.
One day I blow up from the basement, statement. The top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day.